pick all the quantity from the bin, because this bin contains, we require 1500 quantity of the power bank, but this final bin suppose has physical available quantity is the 25,000 pieces they have. So pick required quantity and bring it. Okay, now next point. I will explain you. So here we can see we have the outbound delivery. Another example I am giving you: outbound delivery 1, outbound delivery 2, outbound delivery 3, outbound delivery 4. So this chart I made to make you more understandable. Customer A needs 32 GB brand 1 quantity. So suppose now I am going to give you another example. We have the different customers. They require the for an example hard disk or SSD. Okay, SSD memory they require. So customer A and all those our customer, they have the electronic shop business. They sell the electronics components. Okay, so customer A needs 32 GB brand 1 quantity. No problem. Customer A require 128 GB same brand or other brand 100 quantity. Customer A require 500 GB capacity, same brand 200 quantity. Customer A require 300 GB 10 quantity. Okay, customer B also require 1 TB 50 quantity. Customer B also require 500 GB. Here common thing is with the customer A and customer B, both customer they require 500 GB hard disk. Okay my dear friends, if we see the customer 3, customer C they require 500 GB 100 quantity is different. See, this customer A require 500 GB hard disk 200 quantity. Customer B they require 500 GB hard disk 10 quantity. Customer C they require 500 GB hard disk 100 quantity. Customer D they require 500 GB 1000 quantity. Okay, so what we will do in a single shot, because as we know we have the 500 GB hard disk here in this storage bin or section or storage bin. In a single shot we come, and what we are going to pick, we will pick 200 plus 100 plus 1000, okay, plus 50. So 1 2 3 350. Okay, 1350 total, 1350 quantity, or just take 60 or take just 50, no problem. 1350 quantity in a single shot we will pick from the, because we know our all these customers they require one common thing is 500 GB memory. In a single shot we will pick from the hierarchy storage type from here, my dear friends, and we will perform the next operation, next action. For an example, if we would like to bring it to the packaging area, okay, pack, obviously we need to pack in the boxes, then we perform, then the next step, then we move it to the, I will explain you more. So or packaging means yes, here, and also see customer D they require 500 GB 1000. So all the customer is a common, the common thing here is a 500 GB 500 GB. Just I will bring another one. So with all the customers we have the common material 500 GB memory card, 500 GB, 500 GB, 500 GB. Quantities are different, 200, customers are different for outbound delivery. Okay, now the next. Okay, so we will pick from here. This is the first step we will perform when we talk about the optimization technique along with the wave management. Wave is nothing but a flow. So when the warehouse worker they pick all the things, so we can create the wave templates, we can create the custom wave, we can give the custom wave name. Okay, then I will explain you that. So we did the pick. Now come to this point. So wave is nothing but the collection of outbound delivery to deliver the same product to the multiple clients. Okay, grouping of the outbound deliveries together. Okay, For multiple customer, for the material quantity are different, but for the different customer, the material on the brand type of the material are same. Okay, 500 GB, 500 GB. Suppose all the like 200 customer, 50 customer, they require some brand A, 500 GB, brand B, 500 GB, brand C, brand. Okay, then in the from the finance to rest we pick 500 GB. Okay, we see the brand which customer. So 50 200 customer, like 50 customer require brand A 500 GB, 50 customer they require brand B 500 GB, 50 customer like 50 customer, like 150 customer they require brand C, then brand D. So all we calculate and we pick in a single shot. So it's a very logical, you can think. Okay, it's very simple thing. Okay, then this is to come again to the pick same product. So ignorance. Okay, like for an example, like we avoid the I can say come again, come pick, come again. We are reducing here the steps in the warehouse. Okay, so if the warehouse, when we reduce the steps in the warehouse, like for an example, it enhance the productivity. The warehouse workers, they want to pick some of the material. Suppose it takes 1 day of time, just for an example, multiple materials. If we optimize the process, they can pick within a half day. Before lunch till they can finish, then after lunch they can perform more work. Okay, so that's why these things are required in the real time in the businesses. Then what I will do, after picking all these materials, so here see 200, 10, 100, 100, all the quantity 1310, 1350, okay, whatever, 1310, 10 quantity or 50 quantity, okay, and put it in one custom wave. I will put this all the quantity into wave. Wave means I already said you, wave is nothing but a flow, is nothing but a collection, is nothing but a collection of outbound delivery. So we bring all the materials, same material 500 GB, put it into the wave. That wave we move to the packaging area, okay, to perform more activity. Before directly sending to the product to the customer, we have a lots of activities. So suppose we have the power bank, this size power bank at 100 quantity, or like 200 quantity for 200 customers, or like for an example 1500 quantity in my example. Then we cannot send like this to the customer. Okay, we cannot. We properly arrange 10 pieces in another boxes, 20 30 pieces, or 50 pieces in another boxes. Then we make final handling unit, then we send to the customer. Or if we have the multiple customer in this our situation, 200 customer, we will perform the stop sequence process in the transport management. It's a logic, the way. And also then I will put all the picking quantity into the wave 1. Okay. Then outbound delivery would be created. We have the mixed different kind of customer. So in the work center, wave would be segregated. Then we will open the, means in the warehouse worker, they open the picked quantity, they segregate. This is for an example 10,000 mAh, or this is a brand A, brand B, segregate, separate, picking separate products, which customer require what the exact product, and we can send to them. So this is about end. And I will show you one more point here in the next session. You will understand. Thank you very much, guys.